transport corridors. We believe that the focus of the 29th ECO Council of Ministers advancing regional transport connectivity and sustainable development is both timely and consistent with the ECO vision. Mr. Chairman, Excellencies, Pakistan has placed multimodal transport corridors at the center of the development strategy. Such corridors are an essential pillar of our national development and cornerstone of regional integration within the ECO region, encompassing road, rail, maritime, air, and other networks. In harmony with our national transport policy, we are revitalizing frameworks, harmonizing customs procedures, and adopting international transport conventions, including the TIR system, to enable uninterrupted flow of goods and people between Pakistan and fellow ECO member states. Excellencies, Pakistan is aligning its transport systems with those of other ECO member states to ensure seamless regional integration. We are keen to fully operationalize Islamabad, Tehran, Istanbul rail corridor and working with Iran and Turkey for its early revival. We have also joined the Eurasian multimodal corridor, connecting our ports to the Eurasian heartland, and we are looking forward to the early establishment of rail corridors from Uzbekistan to Pakistan via Afghanistan, providing Central Asian region with much needed transit opportunities and fostering growth and regional stability. Excellencies, as you are well aware, Regional Transport Ministers Conference was held in Islamabad last month in October. Ministers and senior officials from over 2 dozen countries and major international organizations, including the ECO Secretariat, gathered to deliberate on the theme Regional Connectivity Opportunities for the Region. Mr. Chairman, Excellencies, the conference enabled us to formulate strategies, identify priority corridors, and strengthen cooperation in road, rail, maritime, and digital transport systems. It reinforced Pakistan's role as a bridge connecting South Asia, Central Asia, and Middle East and China. Connectivity provides us an opportunity to transform our geography into an engine of growth for the entire region. Distinguished colleagues, Excellencies,